Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our project Smart Car Parking System. Our team members are Mariam Habib, Faika Imran and Talal Shafiq, working under the supervision of Dr. Talha Akram. Here are the contents of our project, starting from the introduction, then motivation, objective, problem statement, components, proposed framework, and at the end, conclusion. Introduction. Most of the traffic occur only due to excess vehicles within the urban areas, thus people are consuming time in searching for areas especially to park their vehicles. A smart car parking system helps in solving a common challenge of finding parking space in areas with a lot of traffic like residential areas, office buildings, schools and other facilities. The motivation behind this project is to reduce drivers' effort and time in search of parking space, reduce fuel consumption, be user-friendly and reduce manpower. And our objective is to reduce the risk of finding parking slots in any parking area. It eliminates the unnecessary traveling of vehicles across the filled parking slot in a city. Problem statement of our project is an increase in the number of vehicles as well as population density and car parking locations are limited. Drivers need to identify the vacant location after entering the premises, which leads to unavoidable time and fuel loss. Components. Here we use the following components. Nodemcu has inbuilt Wi-Fi which enables communication with mobile devices by connecting the Nodemcu with a mobile application. It is a low-cost Wi-Fi inbuilt chip used for multi-purpose IoT applications. An ultrasonic sensor is an instrument that measures the distance to an object using ultrasonic sound waves, and we use the LCD to display the availability of slots. Here is the proposed framework of our project. Firstly, the car enters in the parking zone. Then the ultrasonic sensor detects the car. If slots are available, the closed barrier will open. And ultrasonic sensor again detects the car. When the car will cross, the barrier will close. The car will move toward the empty slot. The ultrasonic sensor will detect the car and show the availability of slots. And at the end, slots availability will display on LCD. Conclusion. Various systems put the management of parking spots into a different perspective that goes over the simple automation of the parking system through the use of advanced technological solutions such as wireless network and sensor communication. In fact, it is concerned with the quality of life in modern cities in the term of the amount of pollution and effect of the urban traffic on the abilities of the drivers. And developing smart parking solutions within a city solve the pollution problem. Let's move toward our hardware demo. First, we measure the distance by using an ultrasonic sensor. Then we simply communicate two boards of Nodemcu. We consider one board of Nodemcu as a transmitter and the other one as a receiver. Then we send the value of the sensor from the transmitter and to the receiver, and it displays on LCD which is connected to the receiver. Now this scenario is practically implemented in our university parking. We use only 2 slots for testing. In the beginning, both slots are empty, which means both are available. Then one slot is filled and the other slot is empty. This scenario is displayed on LCD. When the other car has arrived, then both slots are filled, which means there is no space in the parking, and LCD displays that both slots are occupied.